Drea 909. We're in Raleigh, North Carolina at Dollar Tree. We were told that they had poppets in here, and so we're coming in here to see if they have them. It's hard to believe because we've always bought ours on Amazon for anywhere $5 and up. So now we're going in here to see if we can find some for $1. Alright, we're in the store and she's looking and searching.
Just go to the next aisle and come up there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all came through.
Could they be here in the creative stuff?
Well, these could be considered poppets. You can put them in balls and stuff.
Oh yeah, when you make your slime. And you remember she said anything you move your fingers and keep your attention. Oh, that bag's popped.
Because there's something down here is listed.
No, that bag is popped that she was squeezing.
Oh no. Oh
No.
These are the markers I was talking about for her on board.
Oh, look at these.
I needed those last week. We talked about magic wands. These.
Oh, I didn't know they had them.
Here, they're chalk markers.
Oh, okay. See, those are neat if they were magnetic. They have the magnetic ones that are real.
I'm going to get by here.
Huh?
I'm going to get by here. Those are cute. You good. I thought it was cool.
Drea 909. Look at the wings.
Those masks are cute too.
So I got this, and this is considered a fidget toy. Put in her.
Is that all you see?
No. So they also got these boxes. So this one here.
Okay, so it's definitely a find. We found 2 different things so far that are definitely fidget toys. So Mimi was correct.
Well done, good job.
Good.
Very well right here.
Is there any drop down maybe or falling? Now here's the squares that lady had the other day. The dice said these were fidget toys. There's a purple and green. These are actually like the little mini ones.
Already got purple. Y'all, she said these are considered fidget toys. These are considered fidget toys.
That would be like for your Your magnetic stand that you got, it would work for that. The iron, magnetic iron stuff.
Where's the bad guy?
Alright guys, I think that's all we're going to find. So stay tuned for another video. And remember to always say what you mean and mean what you say. Drea909 signing off for now.
Somebody called me.